everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. I know it's been ages since I've done a haul because what I've been doing is really using what I have. I've been repurposing even older projects or doing a refresh of my projects, but what I've decided, I am going to do a Dollar Tree run because there are new organizers that I've seen, and I'm just excited because I am going to do, remember my kitchen organization? I am not quite done yet, so I'm going to reorganize again my pantry. So this is the reorganization for this year. I'm going to purge some more and then also do our refrigerator. So I bought a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree. Here first, I got this at the wedding section, especially when we were shopping for my sister's wedding. These are 8 note cards with envelopes. And this has this, you know, the deer with the roses on its face. Sorry about that. You're seeing some reflection there, but it looks very farmhouse because it looks like there's shiplap here on the design. So this is a note card for thanking people or for giving people notes, and it can be part of a project as well. And this one, this also comes in gold. I don't know if it comes in silver or other colors, but I found it in black, and it has a little bit of glitter. I don't know if you can see, but this is a 12.8 inch by 9 inch, and it looks like it's a chandelier that you can build because there are some candlesticks here. So this is for decorating for parties. So again, in the wedding section, and I think this will look good in a project that I'm going to make that is for either the guest room, if it works out, or even in my daughter's bedroom. They sell these nice peonies. I love the Dollar Tree peonies because they have a lot of blooms, and they have about, what, 6 in a bunch here, or they call it a bush, and they come in different colors. So they have the darker pinks with the yellow in the middle, and they also have the white with some on the tip where they have pink, but they also come in blush with some pink shadings here. So I bought 2 of the pinks, and then the blush here, or some people may call this the peach ones. So I'm going to be making another project because it's springtime. I'm going to do some wreaths and flower arrangements. So I'm going to be using some of these flowers and probably some leftover flowers from decorating my sister's wedding because I want to repurpose or reuse them as well. Okay, I found this cutting board. It is made of glass, and it has a decoration here. As is, it's already good as a cutting board, but I have a project, and it's a requested. Somebody messaged me on Facebook to create something, and I am just testing out a few materials, and this is one of them. So let me see what I can pull off. So this is glass, and it comes also in square with the same design, and there are other designs as well. And also, if you want it in plain, I was just looking for the ones that are plain glass, like what I did, and I'm going to be inserting a video here with what I've done with my glue gun organizer or glue gun stand. I use the square one, which is colorless, you know, that's plain without designs. And yeah, I really like that a lot as well. So yeah, hopefully this one would work because it's for the kitchen anyway. And I've got this one as well. This is a spoon rest. I think it is not labeled that way, but yeah, this is where you're gonna be able to rest your spoon while you're cooking and whatnot. So this is made of metal, so I bought one of these, and then I bought a couple of these coasters that are made of tiles, and it has a cork at the back so that you will not scratch your furniture or your tabletop. And it has some kind of farmhouse style in it, like a shiplap or wooden panels that they have on the backdrop. So this one says, do what you love, love what you do. And it says here, naturally absorbent coasters, which is really interesting. That's good. And then this one is, this home is fitted with love. So I bought 2 of them, and again, for a project. Then I found these items, and I tell you, Rae Dunn fans would probably like this because, you know, if you, like me, cannot write as neatly as Rae Dunn, and this one would be great if you don't have a Cricut or any stencil to use, and you don't want to use the ones, you know, you don't want to print it on paper and it will be too obvious. So I purchased 2 of this. Unfortunately, these are the only things that it said. It said chocolate doesn't ask silly questions. Chocolate understands. So you can, if you're a chocolate lover, you can definitely decorate with this, put this on your wall. And I have another one here. Okay, this one is girls can do anything. Of course, the other one is upside down, but these are the examples on how it could be written. And then this one is blessed are the pure in heart. So you can just put this on the wall, or, you know, I've done it before. I'm gonna insert another video here where I did the home sweet home. I got this, is so cute. It's so good to be home. It has some spring flowers there, peony, and it's the same at the back. It's so pretty. It's so farmhouse, so I like it a lot. So I'm a coffee lover, coffee drinker, love tea as well, but I don't think I'll use this for coffee or tea because I hate what it does to the white. It stains there. I have another project that I will use this mug. Okay, so watch out for that. And then I have a couple of white mugs. I like that Dollar Tree sells this ceramic mug, ceramic bowls, ceramic plates, and of course inexpensively for $1 each. And you know, they even have the black and the gray ones, and they're so in right now. And with the plain white, I know that I can make some projects out of this ones too. So I only purchased 2 of that, again, for an upcoming project. So I'm in high gear right now, so please bear with me. I was away for quite some time and can't wait to get started again. Look at this. I love the placemats because they're only $1, and then you can use them to frame. I've framed placemats. I have the blessed ones, and I have the ones where live, love, and eat, I think. But this one is nice too, with love, laugh, and gather together. So I'm planning on framing this, and I only bought 1 of that. And then I have this, home is where the heart is. And I know that there's one also about coffee. It's very colorful and has some teal in the background, and there's also take your thyme, you know, the thyme, the herb thyme, but the color probably would clash with other things that I have in the kitchen, but this one would work well. Okay, every time I go to Dollar Tree, I've got to look for organizers. I never have enough organizers, especially in my house. I can speak for myself. I am known to be an organizer DIYer. Some people call me the organization queen. I don't want to claim that title, but I bought these long ones, the 12 by 6 by 2 inches, and I've done some DIYs in this before, so watch them. I'll be linking the iCard here and also in the description box, and if I can, I'll put it also in the thumbnail at the end. And I also purchased 2 of this, the 9 by 6 by 2 inches ones, the smaller ones, and I'll show you another video where I'm going to be using this. I love these wired baskets because I know that they're very versatile. I've used them to create organizers for the wall, hang organizers, or for the desk or on the countertop. And then of course, people call me the zip ties queen. I've been called a lot, right? So these are the zip ties that you can get at Dollar Tree, and this one is for 65 pieces for $1. These are like the medium size. These are the longer sizes, 30 pieces. So these are the 11 inches, and these are the 8 inches long. Now let me just show you new organizers that I saw, and I was happy to find them. Of course, I'll show you also some of the repeats that I'm getting, but this one is a repeat. Okay, I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but this one comes out during spring, and sometimes they linger through summer. The large flat tray that you can sometimes put your paper or whatnot to use as an organizer. So I purchased 1 of this because I'm going to be using this for under my sink in the bathroom. I want to use that there, and I'm also linking here a video of that organization under the sink. And I'm gonna match the colors with some of the teal, but I'm also happy that they came out with this, the gray ones. Okay, and I'm gonna be inserting some photos or video footages where it shows that they also came in dark navy blue, but the gray is very neutral. I can use this for a project that I'm doing, and I'm gonna be filming it soon. But yeah, so they come in the different styles of organizers that come in the same family. So I'll be showing you an insert on that towards the end of the video. I have this basket too. It's made out of thicker material. This is lovely. And you can use this as an organizer, or you can use this to hold your probably potatoes in your pantry, or maybe make some flower arrangements, you know, the farmhouse style flower arrangement. Maybe add some raffia or even burlap embellishments or ribbons. It's gonna work. So I love this a lot. And it came also in teal as well as navy blue, and I've seen them in hot pink. Purchase all the teal ones of this. This is a different size, of course, the rectangular one. If you are buying some storage, make sure that as much as possible they're even. Oftentimes Dollar Tree sells them that they're like, you know, they get narrower as they go down, right? They tapered off. But this one, I'm happy that they made it a little squarish, although they're rounded in the corners. And you know, it'll work. It'll work when you're trying to put them all next to each other on your shelves. See? They can sit next to each other. So I purchased all the ones that remain, and there were 6 of them. So I'm going to use them in organizing our closet, whether it's our pantry closet or a bathroom or laundry. So what I like about this one, it's not too deep, and you can still see the contents. This looks like it can pass for a galvanized container. Instead of me repainting things, I can just use this and probably do a little bit of touches here and there. Sponge paint it with chalk paint just to make it really a little bit more faux galvanized container. And then I have this. I haven't seen them in white before. I've purchased a lot of this in teal a year or 2 years ago, and I've used them in organizing my daughter's shoe rack that we turned into her cabinet. They come now in white, and I like that although it tapers a little bit, it's not a whole lot of tapering, unlike their square ones. So the rectangular ones are the way to go. So every time I see white organizers and they come out during spring, I take them because they're very neutral, and you know, they can work in any space, especially if you like to make it look like really clean and crisp, right? It's nothing better than a white organizer. So I purchased 6 of them. The Cooking Concepts bowl, and these are microwave safe. And I think this one would work well also in organizing our refrigerator. And then I'll just put in some labels here. I'll use the permanent or dry erase markers, and I can put some of our, you know, probably shredded cheese, being that it is food safe. Okay, just a warning for all of you, there are a lot of organizers that the Dollar Tree sells, but they're not food safe, especially if you're putting something that you will just pick up and straight to your mouth. For example, tomatoes, strawberries, other fruits that you probably have sliced already. Again, I just want to make sure that I am also a responsible YouTuber to tell you that. A lot of you already know that, but probably some need to be reminded, or probably some assume that they're all BPA free, or some people probably thought, oh, so, you know, it's close to the kitchen, maybe it's food safe. No, if it's not marketed as food safe, it isn't. Okay, so this one, and I'm glad that it came in white, I can use to organize in our refrigerator. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and then share. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads, and also share. Okay, so I hope you are having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you again on my next video. Take care and God bless everyone. Bye bye.